Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn basic English for asking questions at the supermarket. Knowing how to ask for help while shopping can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's go over some essential phrases and questions to help you find what you need in English. Let's get started. If you're looking for a specific item, these phrases will help you ask politely. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Do you know where the milk is located? Could you tell me where the canned vegetables are? These simple questions will help you find your items quickly. If you can't find something, it's okay to ask if it's available. Here's how to do that. Do you have any more of this in stock? Is there any fresh produce in the back? Do you carry gluten-free products? These questions are perfect if you're looking for something specific or have dietary needs. If you're unsure about the cost of an item, use these phrases to ask. How much does this cost? Is this on sale? Can you tell me the price of this item? Knowing how to ask about prices helps you shop within your budget. If you need a specific amount of an item, these phrases will help. Can I get half a kilo of apples? Could you give me 200 grams of cheese? I'd like a dozen eggs, please. These questions are especially useful when shopping in the produce or deli sections. Before you check out, it's helpful to know the payment options available. Can I pay with a credit card? Do you accept contactless payment? Is there a minimum amount for card payments? These questions ensure you're prepared when it's time to pay. If you need a bag or extra help, these phrases will be useful. Could I have a bag, please? Do you charge for bags? Can you help me carry this to my car? These phrases make it easy to ask for any extra assistance you may need. With these phrases, you'll be able to shop confidently in English at the supermarket. Whether you're asking for help, checking prices, or finding the right products, these expressions will make your shopping experience easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy shopping!